How to fill HP45 empty ink cartridges manually. Extract 47 grams plus or minus 1 red, blue or other color ink into the syringe. Step 1. Vertically inject the ink into the ink cartridge from the steel ball hole. Warning: when injecting ink, do not pierce through the ink bag inside of the cartridge. Step 2. After the ink cartridge is filled with ink, use a manual punching device to plug the hole with a steel ball. Remove the blue tape. Step 3. Build up the back pressure to avoid the cartridge from leaking ink. There are two methods to build up back pressure. Please choose one method to build up back pressure: back pressure created by Venturi tube, or back pressure created by air vacuum generator. Let us introduce the first method: back pressure created by Venturi tube. Turn on two water faucets at the same time. While drawing ink, place the cartridge nozzles upright and cover the nozzles with a vacuum silicone tube. Keep the water flowing over the nozzles. The silicone tube will become slightly flat due to vacuum. The 15-second ink drawing procedure will draw about 1.5 grams of ink. After finishing ink drawing, place the nozzles upside down to check if any ink leaks. If it leaks ink, please repeat the ink drawing procedure again. This is the end of the first method. Now, let us introduce the second method: back pressure created by air vacuum generator. When drawing ink, place the cartridge nozzles vertically upright. Draw ink for 15 seconds. The amount of ink drawn is around 1.5 grams. After finishing ink drawing, place the nozzles upside down to check if any ink leaks. If it leaks ink, please repeat the ink drawing procedure again. If it doesn't, we can now head for the next step. Step 4. Check printing quality. If the printing quality is poor, repeat either method of Step 3, ink drawing. Print several pages to see if the ink cartridge prints well. Step 5. Clean the cartridge nozzles and paste them with blue tape. For further information, please contact us at sales@uni-plus.com.tw.